As you can see, the hurricane, the waves and rain is really
Michael, get off that damn table!
Mom, go inside!
I'm telling your father, you just wait!
You're ruining my life, Mom!
Yeah, you haven't
Stop
seen
it.
anything yet!
God damn